right, ladies, 3 AI tools that are either cool, inspiring, useful, fun, or I thought were interesting in some way or another. The first one that we have on our list is GPT for Google Sheets and Google Docs. So this is a Chrome plugin, and it allows you to add GPT as an add-on to things like Google Sheets and Google Docs. So it's very specific, but it's very, very useful. So inside of Google Docs, for example, you can do things like write emails or transfer a style or translate content to a different language. You can summarize notes. There's a lot that you can do inside of Google Docs. And if you ever use ChatGPT, you know that you keep bouncing back and forth between a Word document or Google Docs and ChatGPT to save things, to copy and paste things, take a script and do a bunch of stuff. And this is all just now internal to Google Docs. So you don't have to keep going back and forth. And inside of Google Sheets, now this is where it gets fun. You can take a series of cells and have it generate things like blog ideas or video ideas, business ideas. You can analyze your content. You can analyze sentiment. You can summarize data. And you can honestly do anything that you could do with GPT, but right in line inside of your sheets. So I think that's super, super useful, and it unlocks doors where you can do things you couldn't even figure out how to make a formula for. So speaking of useful things, do something useful with this video. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss this series of content that I have queued up. And to spice things up a little bit, comment your Cash App hashtag, and I'll pick someone completely random in the comment section who's subscribed, and I'll send you a couple bucks for coffee or something as a thank you. Next up, we have ScaleNut. It is an AI-powered platform that allows you to create content faster and better. But yeah, every AI platform is saying that, but this one's pretty cool because they have a lot of things. Okay, and we'll get into this. I love things that are robust. I love things that just give you a bunch of tools to work with all in one place. And this is exactly what this does. So it gives you things like guided workflows. It helps you optimize things for SEO or Google ranking. It can take questions in from Quora or Reddit. It gives you insights and data to work better on whatever you're working on. So you can write product descriptions, answer questions, blog outlines, social media posts, generate reviews, write headings to paragraphs. There's some very specific things like meta descriptions for more SEO for images. You can create titles, generate blog ideas. I think I already said that, but there's so many things. You can turn first person text into third person text. I mean, that's very specific, but that's something it can do. And it just simplifies everything, because it has everything in one place. And again, I love platforms that consolidate cool and useful tools. But again, you can just hop in here and get hyper specific. It can help you with social media posts. It can help you with Q&A. It can answer questions, engaging questions, answer a question in bullet points, Quora answers, product descriptions, whatever you need. You can pretty much do all written type of content stuff on ScaleNut. So definitely go check that out. But if you're getting freaked out by all this AI writing content stuff, and you're questioning everything on the internet, and you're unsure whether or not something has been written by AI, head over to checkforai.com. So this is an AI that checks for AI. It's an AI detection tool that analyzes words to figure out if it was written by a GPT engine. It has about a 95% accuracy, but with some custom tweaks here and there, you can actually you can figure out how to get it to closer to 100%. So it's pretty useful if you want to make sure your students or your employees or anything you read online is real or generated by humans. If that's something you care about, you can definitely use this tool. Super, super helpful. That's all I got. I'll see you in the next video.